The topic of today is repairing the idle control on a 300 diesel Mercedes from 1982. It is a wire-based controller made by Magura. The first thing I did was googling to see if I could buy a new one, but couldn't find any. Well, I was thinking, Magura, I have seen it before, and remember they have produced the gas throttle on my old Norwegian-built Tempo motorbike. Bingo! That the solution, and off I went to the basement where I keep spares for the bike. I had some spare wires and found one that was long enough. Dismantled the idle controller of the car and took it apart. Then adjusted one of the new wire to fit in, as it off with the length I needed, and thread it in the original hose. Mounted it back to the car, some adjustments, finished, done.